Noong nung i-proclaim na at iharap na siya sa amin at nakasuot puti na siya, pumila kami para batiin siya isa-isa. That was very touching. Tapos nung ako na paglapit ko sa kanya, ang sabi ko, Holy Father, and by the way, this is he speaks American English. So sabi ko, Holy Father, I wish you could visit us in the Philippines. Ang sabi ko, sabi ko, I come from Pampanga, and the province of Pampanga was evangelized by Augustinians, your brothers. The first missionaries in the Philippines were Augustinians. Of course, along with the Jesuits and Dominicans and the other congregations. Pero yung buong area namin sa Central Luzon, Augustinian yun. Sabi ko, sabi ko, kasi naging superior general siya ng mga Augustinians. And take note, from a Jesuit Pope now to an Augustinian Pope, no? So, and nakangiti lang siya, sabi niya, if God allows that, sabi ko, lakas naman ng loob ko nang imbitahin ko na yung Santo Papa eh. State visitor siya pag pumunta sa atin, di ba?